Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gio here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a halftone effect on images. So let's get right into this tutorial. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cut out whatever image you're using so it doesn't do it for the entire photo. So if it's a person, you're going to want to cut out the person. For this, I'm just going to use the cloud select subject. Super useful. Sometimes it's a little bad at cutting things out, but most of the time it does a pretty good job. I'm just going to duplicate it and hide it just in case. Basically, just going to want to cut it out. And once you cut out the image, I just converted it to a smart object real fast. And then next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on Filter, Pixelate, Color Halftone. And basically, you can pick as much of a radius as you want. Some images require a higher radius, some of them require a lower radius. I think the minimum is 4. So we're just gonna do 4 here for just just as a test. And then for all the channels, you're gonna want to put in 50. And once you do that, you're gonna want to press OK. Like I said, you can change the radius, but for this one, I'm just gonna do 4. I'm gonna click OK. And as you can see, it puts the effect in right away. You'll see a lot of this kind of style for like graphic tees and stuff like that, but you can leave it in color, or you can do a black and white filter over top and it'll look just like that. And then you can have them in black and white and make it look like he came off the printer, or you could keep it in color. So it's all up to you. I mean, this is a very simple effect. You could do this with literally anything that's an image. Of course, you have to cut it out. That's pretty much it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it helped you out, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I know it's a very short little tutorial, but I've seen a lot of this type of stuff on Twitter and sometimes on TikTok. So this could be very useful to some of you guys. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Later.